Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to another amazing recipe. Did you know if you can make a simple chapati, you can also make
Croissants.
Yes, today I'll be showing you the easiest way of making a croissant. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! To start making the dough in a food processor, I'll add in flour. One teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon yeast. And we'll give it a mix. Next we'll add in milk and we'll mix it until it forms a dough. Next goes in oil. Now that the dough has come together, I'll knead it on my counter. Now I'll grease a bowl with olive oil. And I'll place in our dough. Now I'll cover it with cling film. And I'll let it rest for 30 minutes. While our dough is resting, let's prepare our butter. Here I have room temperature butter. I'll microwave it for 5 to 10 seconds for it to be pliable. It's been 30 minutes since we left our dough. Let's check it. It has slightly risen. It's completely okay if yours doesn't rise. And I'll divide our dough into 12 equal parts. Let's roll them. Now onto each layer, I'll spread butter. And I'll wrap our dough in cling film. Now I'm going to place it in the freezer for 30 minutes so that the butter solidifies and we have a firm pastry dough. It's been 30 minutes. Let's take it out of the freezer. Our dough is completely firm. Let's roll it.
Sprinkle some dry flour.
We'll continue rolling until it reaches a 14 to 15 inch diameter. Now I'm going to cut it into 12 equal parts using a scale and a knife. Now I'll roll them to form the beautiful croissant shape. I'll cover our shaped croissants with a cloth. Now I'll let them sit on the counter for 2 to 3 hours or until they double in size. It's been 3 hours and our croissants have poofed up. And I'll give our croissants a milk wash. Now I pop it in the oven first at 200 degrees for 5 minutes and then 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Hear that? It's done. Ta-da! Let's give it a try. This croissant is flaky, crisp and soft, and I'd never thought it would be so fun and easy to make it. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!